Welcome to Medidata solution. In this video, we'll see how the doctor can request the imaging test and how the result is captured in the system. You'll see the image, the menu of health. Double click on health and you will find imaging, a separate menu. In imaging, there is a sub menu called request imaging test. Double click on it and one wizard will be there. The user can enter the patient's name or select the patient's name. If you want to change the doctor's name, that can be done just by selecting the doctor's name here. And by clicking this plus button, the imaging test, the list of imaging tests would be there. I'll select X-ray and press OK and then click on request. So the imaging test request will be generated. If I go to imaging test request, it will be in this list view of imaging test. There are multiple tabs here. You can see that the imaging test can be in the draft state, can be in the requested state, it can be in the done state, or if you want to click on all, then click on all and all the imaging test will be there. So I will open the imaging test which is in the draft state. This is the basic information about the test generated by the doctor or the user. Then click on the request button. Once it is requested, the user can then generate the result. Click on generate result and one more pop-up would be there. And in this particular form view, the doctor can attach the imaging test result for this particular patient. So I'll click on this particular icon and I can search for that imaging test. I'll select one X-ray image. So image is stored once I show this record, and if I change the view, you can easily find out the name of the file, the size of the file, and you can also see the X-ray attached for this particular patient. So the doctor can always go to this particular form view and find the X-ray report which is attached with this patient. You can also see the last modification date and a user who has generated that result. And if the doctor wants to enter some comments, there is a comment section to enter those text details. Now, as the results are generated, you can see that test number 4 for which the result is also generated. Also, if I go to imaging test request and if I change the view, let me just refresh once. Now as the test is done, if I go to done state, you will find the requested tests which are in the done state here in this list view. So this is how the doctor can request, store and see the imaging test and result done for any of the patient. Hope this video will be helpful. In the next video, we'll see the more information about the health management software. Thank you.